Welcome back, Crammers, to question 26. The diagram shows a regular 10-sided polygon. Show that angle x is equal to angle y. We can use the formula for some of the interior angles, 180 times n minus 2, to prove that x is equal to y. Since there are 10 sides, there are also 10 angles. So we can write 180 times n minus 2. So there are 10 sides minus 2 divided by how many angles there are. So there are 10 because we only want to find one angle. So we have 180 times 10 minus 2 is 8 divided by 10. This cancels out and that gives us 144 degrees each. So this is 144 degrees. This is 144. This is 144. Now, we can see that there is a line going between A and G making this distinct shape. That also means that angle x here is also equal to angle x here. Now, we can then use the formula once again to find out what x is. So since we have 5 sides, we can have 180 times n minus 2, 180 times 5 minus 2, 180 times 3 is 540. So we know that 540 is comprised of 144 times 3, because it happens 3 times, plus 2x. So then we can then bring this to the other side. We can find out what 144 times 3 is first. 144 times 3 is 432. So we have 540 minus 432 is equal to 2x. We divide both sides by 2 to find out what x is. So then we can then find out our final answer. So we have 540 minus 432, which is then divided by 2, which gives us 54. X is equal to 54 degrees. So x is 54. Now, moving on, we have to find what this is. Since we know that one whole angle is 144, if we can find out what this is, we can combine it with x, subtract that in order to find y. Again, this will be 144. This will also be 144. And this is a four-sided polygon. And we know that all four-sided polygons contain 360 degrees in total. So we can put here 360 is equal to 2 times 144, and we don't know what this angle is, so let's call it angle Z. So plus 2Z. Okay, so we can find out what 144 times 2 is first. 144 times 2 is 288. So this is 360 is equal to 288 plus 2Z. We can then bring 288 to the other side. So we have 2Z is equivalent to 360 minus 288. Divide both sides by 2 to find out what Z is. So we can then find this out to be 360 minus 288. Then divide by 2 gives us 36. 36. And now that we have this angle, which is 36, we can then use one of the angles, since we know it to be 144. We can then subtract x and z. So finally, we have 144 is equal to x plus y plus z. Since we know what x is, we can write it here, which is 54. And we know what y, we don't know what y is, but we know what z is, which is 36. We can then combine the like terms. So we have 54 plus 36 gives us 90. So we have 144 is equal to 90 plus y. We can then bring 90 to the other side. We have y is equal to 144 minus 90. And we can see here that 144 minus 90 is equal to 54. Y is equal to 54. X is also equal to 54. Therefore, y is equal to x. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.